Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background image for free without Photoshop. So there are many alternatives, such as you can search for free background remover online and then click on any website that you want to. Now you will need to upload an image. After uploading the image, it will automatically remove the background. Now once the process is completed, click on the download button and it will download the image to your computer. This is useful for thumbnails, profile pictures, product photos and social media graphics. And that's it. That's how to remove backgrounds without Photoshop. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.